Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change wallpaper on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. The first thing that we need to do is open the settings. In these settings you want to go to wallpapers and style, and then over here we have wallpapers. If you tap this option, then you can choose album, where you can choose your own photo as a wallpaper. You can also go to workshop in order to create your own wallpapers, where you can take or select a photo and transform it into a unique wallpaper. And we also have carousel wallpapers over here. Here we also have some live and static wallpapers, also online wallpapers. So all you need to do is simply find the wallpaper that you are interested in. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, and now all we need to do is simply press apply. Then we can choose to set it for home screen or both home and lock screen. I'm gonna choose home screen only. And now if you go back, you will see that we have a new wallpaper. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!